What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back in our video. Today we're looking at the Smart PD charger. You can bypass HDMI from your game or any device at all from your phone to a monitor. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to check out the links below as well for more exclusive stuff. And without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. That's it for the box. On the back, it has USB-C coil wire as well. Very durable wire, pretty much nice coiled here. It won't tangle as well. It won't get wrecked as well because it's heavy duty. The neck are very nice right here. Definitely a must if you're just looking for a USB-C cable for your MacBook and also Android. It's a startup guide right here if you have no idea what's going on. And then inside the box, pretty simple, just has the plug right there. And there you go. So here's the plug. It has this 65 watt total power, but this top right here is 60 watt capability. Great for MacBooks and maybe even the MacBook Air M1s and M1 Max. The middle here, you can use this for charging your phone, and then there's the HDMI slot right there for 4K resolution. Right there it has a GAN logo and also AceFast on this side. The bottom has all the information you need, the outputs and whatnot. And then here the plug also retracts, easy when you're traveling. We plugged in the AceFast here with the HDMI on this spot right here and the USB-C right here to our MacBook. As you can see, our MacBook is charging right now. Very cool. And also at the same time, it is displaying our MacBook on this monitor. So as you could see, we have it set up right now with everything plugged in into one device right here, plugged into our MacBook via USB-C. And also we have the monitor right here. If you want to game and also watch in a bigger screen, you could do so by doing this. Let's go ahead and do some editing with our Final Cut Pro. As you can see here, this could be your viewer so that you could see it on a bigger screen when you are editing. There you go. You'll be able to use this for that. Final Cut Pro right here, and then also seeing it on this device. So here it is. It's displaying my game here now. And basically we can walk around and pretty much play from here. All in one device. As you can see, it's charging my Nintendo Switch at the same time as well. Oh, got this. Nice. Got him. Boom. That's right, buddy. Let's go. Nice. Not bad at all, actually. It transmits. It also transmits the sound onto here, and it charges your device at the same time. It's really good. Now let's try one more thing here before we leave. This, plug our phone over here. As you can see, it's charging. Very nice. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new 60-watt PD plug just like this one, with extra features like HDMI slot and another slot for, you know, more devices. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well, so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.